Here, we are given function fx equals 7 minus 2x. And we want to find the images given the object -3, 5k, 2x plus 1. Right, now let's try the first one. So, this one, it means that the object x, for this function, it means that object x is mapped to fx. And what is this fx? Fx is 7 minus 2x. So, the object x undergoes the function f, and the image is 7 minus 2x. Now, we are given the object now is -3. So, what is the image of this object? So, what we do here, we are going to substitute this -3 here. Right, so this -3 undergoes this function f, and the image equals 13. Next, we look at B. If object is 5k. So now what we do is we substitute this 5k into x here. So instead of x, the object now is 5k. And instead of x here, it is now 5k. So this is the image of object 5k. C. If object is 2x plus 1. Right, so if object is 2x plus 1, this object is mapped under function f. So we get, well, originally it is fx equal 7 minus 2x. But now, the object is not x anymore. The object is 2x plus 1. So, what we have here is 2x plus 1. Note that this x actually, initially it represents the object. But then, the object now is 2x plus 1. So we are going to put 2x plus 1 here. So here becomes 2x plus 1. Fine. So this is the image for 2x plus 1. Well, when you do the maths, it is enough for you to do this part. Okay? This is just for explanation for you. Here we are given function g. Gx equal 5x minus 3. And we want to find the object when the images are A, 22, B, 2x, and C, when the image is same as the object. Right, so what we have here is actually this one. Object x is mapped under function g is mapped to gx. And what is gx? Gx is 5x minus 3. Now the question is this. When the image is 22, So here, when the image is 22, what is the object here? When image is 22, what is the object here? That is what we want to find. Now, we are given gx equal 5x minus 3. So now, the image gx is 22, given by the question, if image is 22. So now this image, gx is 22. And we want to find the object, which is the x here. Now gx is also 5x minus 3. So if we solve this equation, we can find x. And x is the object. So we get x equal 5. So when the object is 5, the image is 22. So when you solve this problem, you need to only do this part. Okay, this part is just explanation. Right, next, if the image is 2x, so here instead of 22, the image now is 2x. So what is the object here? So again, now the image is now 2x, so gx is now 2x. Okay? Gx, see, gx is the image. So, and the image is now 2x, given by the question. And we want to find the object, which is x. And gx is also 5x minus 3. So now what we do is to solve this equation to find x. Then we find the object. So x equal 1. Lastly, C. We want to find the object when the image is same as the object. So object is x. After it undergoes the function of g, we get gx, and gx is 5x minus 2. And for C, it says that we want to find the value of x, so that after it goes through the function of g, the image is same as object. What does it mean? Same as object. The object is x, the image is also x. Right. So here, the image is gx, and gx is 5x minus 3. And we are saying that the image is going to be the same as the object x. So instead of gx, we are going to put an x here. And then we're going to solve this equation to find the value of x. 3 here, 5x minus x. X is 3 over 4. So what it means is that when x is 3 over 4, you're going to get 3 over 4 here. as the image. Let's see whether this is true. If we put 3/4 here, so see that the image here is the same as the object. Let's look at this one. Hx equal x minus 5/x. Find the possible values of objects when the image is -4. So we have x undergo the function of h, and we get hx. And what is hx? It is x minus 5/x. And we are given by the question that the image is -4. So here, the image is -4. And we want to find the value of x. Right. So we are given hx, the image, which is hx, is -4. So hx is -4. But then hx is also x minus 5/x. So x minus 5/x equal -4. We get this equation. So what we need to do now is to solve this equation to find the value of x. And that is going to be the object. What we do here is to multiply both sides by x. X times x, we get x squared. X times this one, we get -5. -4 times x, we get -4x. So we have we factorize it. And we have -1 and plus 5 here. So x equal 1 or -5. So what this means is that when x is -1, is 1, when x is 1, the image is -4. Also, when x is -5, the image is also -4.